Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Toyota FJ Cruiser. I personally like this casting. I never opened it so far. It looks really nice inside the box. So I bought this one. So this one is by Matchbox and this one is from their moving part series, and I bought this for $399, which is MRP. So I bought this one from Hamleys. So let's open and see how this one looks. Okay, let's throw everything else away. Okay, here it is. So the initial impressions of this car are like, the paint job looks nice. So there is a little bit of irregularity here, as you can see. But apart from that, the casting looks good, but it is not even heavy. Again, this one feels like a very cheap toy. Like 10 20 rupees toy. Okay, but the casting looks really good. Again, the headlights are just painted out, and same goes for the tail lights, but at least it has the rear side actually got some detailing. Not sure. I'm still not sure how we are getting scratches on the windshields. Like this one is literally new in the box. They are packing their manufacturing plant, right? This is really worst. So the body is made of metal and base is actually plastic. And this one has openable doors, as you can see. Let me just put it this way. So the interior details are okay. It's not really that good. The rims it looks nice. I'm not going to say no, it looks really nice. So this part is actually made of plastic, but it still feels really cheap. It's too weightless, and I don't think these are built for a lifetime. This maybe till our lifetime. If we die tomorrow, we can actually, this, I don't know whether how this will survive the next day if you're not keeping properly inside a box like this. Okay, let's do a roll test and see how this rolls. Okay, I can say it rolls good. There is not much of a wheel wobble. There's a little bit wheel wobble in the rear wheels, but not much, not like the other ones which we unboxed. So especially the worst one is the Nissan Z. This one is okay. I can live with it. But still, for 400 rupees, this one is not really worth it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing and sharing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.